I've always felt called to become a lawyer and just to give back to my community. By becoming an attorney, I can advocate for the families, children, and individuals who do not have a voice in our justice system. I applied to Tennessee Wesleyan in the fall of my senior year of high school as kind of like a backup plan. It wasn't until I came to tour on spring break that I immediately knew it was the right school for me. Something that stood out to me were the class sizes. They are pretty small, meaning that I could actually form close relationships with my professors, which is something that's really important to me that I would not gain at a large university. Tennessee Wesleyan has prepared me for law school because I've been able to take a wide variety of classes, gain hands-on experience, and develop my critical thinking skills. I also had the opportunity of taking trial practice and evidence, where I participated in a mock trial as lead defense attorney in a real courtroom in front of a real judge. This was an excellent learning opportunity that helped me develop practical skills that I could apply in my future legal career. It definitely helped me get into law school. I could actually build a relationship with professors, ask for any help that I needed, ask for letter of recommendations, and they always showed up for me. I wasn't just a random person in the classroom. They actually knew me.